Hey QuickQuesters, welcome back! Earth is full of strange and unexplainable places. Locations so bizarre, they feel like something out of a fantasy novel. But they're real, and today we're diving into 5 of the most mysterious places on Earth. From eerie mountains with disappearing hikers to a lake that turns animals into stone, get ready for some mind-boggling mysteries. Let's get started. Number 1. Mount Roraima, the Lost World. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, rising like a fortress from the jungle, is Mount Roraima. This ancient, flat-topped mountain is one of the oldest geological formations on Earth, estimated to be 2 billion years old. But what makes it truly mysterious is its eerie isolation. Surrounded by sheer cliffs, it's home to unique plants and animals found nowhere else on the planet. Legends from local tribes claim it's a gateway to another world, and it inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel The Lost World, about dinosaurs surviving in a hidden land. Scientists have explored its summit, yet many of its mysteries remain untouched. Could there be unknown species still lurking here? Number 2. Lake Natron, the lake that turns animals to stone. Imagine a lake so deadly that animals who touch it turn into stone. This isn't mythology, it's a real place in Tanzania, Africa. Lake Natron is one of the most extreme environments on Earth, with waters so alkaline and salty that they mummify anything that falls in. The lake's bright red color comes from bacteria that thrive in its scorching 60 degrees Celsius waters. Birds and bats that misjudge their landing get preserved like statues. Scientists believe the lake mirrors ancient conditions of early Earth, giving clues to how life first evolved. It's beautiful, but also terrifying. Number 3. The Devil's Kettle, the waterfall with no end. In Minnesota, USA, there's a waterfall that swallows half of its water, and no one knows where it goes. This place is called the Devil's Kettle, and for years, scientists have tried to solve its mystery. At this unique waterfall, the Brule River splits in two. One side flows down as expected, but the other side plunges into a massive hole and disappears. People have dropped dye, ping pong balls, even GPS trackers into the hole, but they never reappear. Does the water flow into an underground river? A hidden cave system? No one knows for sure. Number 4. The Bermuda Triangle, where ships and planes vanish. A classic mystery, but still one of the strangest. The Bermuda Triangle is a section of the North Atlantic Ocean where ships and planes mysteriously vanish without explanation. Over 1,000 vessels and aircraft have disappeared in this area, sometimes without even sending a distress signal. Some blame magnetic anomalies, rogue waves, or even aliens. While scientists suggest there may be natural explanations, no one can deny that the Bermuda Triangle remains one of Earth's most perplexing mysteries. Number 5. The Door to Hell, the Eternal Fire Pit. Deep in the deserts of Turkmenistan, there's a giant pit that has been for over 50 years. This fiery crater, known as the Door to Hell, was created in 1971 when a drilling accident caused a collapse in a natural gas field. To stop the spread of dangerous gases, scientists set the pit on fire, expecting it to burn out in a few days. Instead, it has been burning non-stop for half a century, creating an eerie glow visible from miles away. Locals believe it's a gateway to the underworld. Scientists, they're still puzzled by how it keeps going. Did you know? There's an island in Japan called Okunoshima, completely overrun by friendly, wild rabbits. It's often called Rabbit Island, and no one really knows how they got there. Earth is full of mysteries, and these places are just the beginning. Which one do you think is the strangest? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay curious.